Before you start searching for your articles, you want to decide what you want to find. Please read your assignment and identify what your instructor is looking for. In this case, you want to be writing about women in a particular visual art form, and you want to choose a specific issue. So once you've chosen your art form, in this example, I'm using filmmaking, and you can see here I've just listed different terms that get at that concept. My issue is the female gaze, and again I might want to list different phrases or concepts that get at that, and our context is women. Do not use a statement or sentence. When you go to write your paper, you definitely want to have a topic sentence, but in the search process, you want to use keywords and phrases. This topic can be challenging to find articles, so you want to search in more than one place. You definitely want to search at the library. Do not use Google because it'll give you more general, popular sources. You want academic scholarly sources, so you'll be using the Mount Library site. We're going to start with NovaNet Discovery, and you can see we're entering the phrases and keywords that we generated when we looked at our assignment. Once you hit the search button, you'll get your results. You can see that we're given both articles and books. On the left-hand side, we have our filters where we can focus in on just the books or just the articles. If you're looking at articles, you can just look at peer-reviewed. If you're looking at books, you can just choose to see the ebooks. There's lots of choices here for you. When you're ready to get to the full text, click on the item. There'll be a description that will tell you a little bit about it, and then you can click on the full text link. You will be asked to sign in. The sign in is the same as your Moodle login, and in this case we're taken to our ebook. The advantages of NovaNet Discovery is that it gives you both books and articles, and it's multidisciplinary, which is good for this topic. The disadvantage is that results may be too broad, not exactly on topic, and sometimes the results may not be 100% scholarly. Mostly they are, but occasionally you might get some items that are not, so you need to be discerning in what you choose. The second place we're going to look are the article databases. So for that, again, we want to be on the library homepage, and then we want to scroll down below NovaNet Discovery to choose subject guides. That's going to give us a list of all our guides. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and choose the Women and Gender Studies guide, and there we'll find a list of all the databases related to women and gender studies. Click on one to search. You may need to log in again. And once again, you put in your search terms up at the top. You here can play around with those terms. Depending on what worked in NovaNet, you might want to try a different form of a word. You might want to try a different phrase. You will have to play around and do more than one search using the terms you've generated during your brainstorming. Once again, you'll see that there's filters on the left-hand side that will help you to refine your search.